What's up, Matt from Urchfab. Today's video is just going to be a little thank you video to a lot of the people who have helped out with this build, and then at the end of the video I'm going to do the long awaited first donut. So the little piece of artwork that you saw at the beginning of the video, that was done by a chap called Ben Davis. His company's called Super Spec. He said that he'd watched a lot of the videos and learnt a lot of stuff from it, so he wanted to do me a little design to say thanks for doing it. So that was taken from a photo that I took of the car down in the yard, so that's pretty cool. And I've now got that made into t-shirts, got hoodies. So I've got t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts. Those are all on my website. They'll post them anywhere in the world as well. So that's there if you want one of those. Thanks again to Ben for doing that design. I'll put a link to his Instagram page in the description box. So if you're on Instagram, go give him a follow. I've got a whole load of list of people to thank. Some of these people gave me parts for free, some people gave me discounts on stuff. So I'll start off with Dan from fast5.co.uk gave me a radiator. Old Ford Autos gave me a discount on all the fiberglass panels on the car. Thanks to ATR Products for giving me a discount on the throttle bodies. Car Builder Solutions gave me quite a few parts for the car, a lot of the electrical stuff, various other little bits. Destroy or Die did me a discount on some suspension arms. Motorsport Electronics did me a discount on the ECU that I'm running. M-Tech Automotive did me a discount on the dyno day. Delta Rubber gave me all the rubber trims for the doors and everything for free. Performance Metals did me a discount on the roll cage tube. Piper Exhaust gave me a full exhaust system for the car. Mix Garage, I got some service parts and stuff from them. Magnum Panels gave me the rear bubble arches to modify the steel ones. A chap called Kevin, I think he didn't want to be named, so we'll just call you Kevin, gave me the seat. A guy called Alan gave me the seat belts. Transpares, the paint supplier, gave me all the paint and all the under sealing, which I used, and some of the paint prep stuff. Will Schrader gave me the coilovers, and some other people that I need to thank. Miniature Manufacturing, Nick Neem, who did me some design stuff. I'm still not sure if I'm going to put it on the car yet, but I've got some graphics that were going to go down the side of the car that were done by Nick. Vertifusion always supplied me with any welding equipment I need. Extreme Plasma have always helped with anything I need, materials, metals and things. Barry from E-Abrasives helped out with some of the sanding, prepping abrasives when I was doing the paintwork. And obviously thanks to Bill for giving me the car in the first place, the 100E. Thanks to everyone who's on my Patreon page, and just thanks to everyone who's watched the whole build, subscribers. And there's also a load of individuals who have chipped in to this build. When I was maybe a third of the way into it, I did a like crowdfund page thing. So there was an option for people to have their name on the car when it was finished, and I had loads of people who signed up to do that, so that was great. That raised, you know, almost all the money to buy all the parts I needed for the car. And it's not just the names that are on the car, there are also a lot of other people who donated to that. So without that, this car would not definitely wouldn't have got finished, and it would probably be in a much different state to it is now. So just want to say thanks to every single person that was involved in that, and also obviously all the people on here. And yeah, all these companies are in the description if you want to get hold of them, or if you need any of their services. Then that's obviously why these companies get involved, to hope that they're going to get something back out of it. So, you know, it's nice if they do. I really hope there's not anyone obvious that I've missed on there. So yeah, that's it really. Just wanted to say thanks to everyone involved. It's been a really long build, but it's been a journey with trying to build a YouTube channel, and you know, everything that goes along with that. And yeah, just looking forward to getting out and using it now. I've got a track day booked in April, and I've got a track day booked in May, so just count down to that really. So obviously there's just one thing left to do. I do love a donut. Mmm.